Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorials. In this video, you'll learn how to fix and resend declined documents in BoldSign without recreating them from scratch, saving you time and streamlining your workflows. When signers decline a document, it's often because key details are missing or outdated, interrupting the entire process. This often leads to incorrect or incomplete content, missing attachments, delays from recreating the entire request, extra work, and an increased chance of new errors, as well as disruptions to business workflows that prolong the signing process, especially for time-sensitive agreements. BoldSign's clone document feature removes this frustration by allowing users to fix and resend declined documents without starting from scratch. There is no need to recreate the whole document. No risk of losing existing fields or recipient settings, and no need to repeat the entire setup process. You can update outdated text using label fields, upload missing files, and correct any information while retaining all existing recipients and field configurations. This saves time, reduces rework, and ensures the updated document is accurate before resending. Imagine a tenant declines a document because the pet policy is missing and the lease dates are outdated. The agent must add the missing policy and update the lease period without restarting the request from scratch. Here's how to do it. The first step is to access the BoldSign application page. Here, you need to locate the declined document. To do this, expand the Documents menu and choose My Documents. Locate the declined document you need to fix and click it to open its overview page. On the overview page, the signer's decline reason is shown clearly. With BoldSign's clone document feature, you can quickly fix this by adding the missing document and updating the lease end date without recreating the entire document. To do this, choose the Clone Document option from the More Actions menu. In the dialog box, choose with Form Field Value to retain all field settings and default values. Then click Clone. On the Prepare Document for Signing page, click the Browse button to add the missing pet policy document. Review the remaining sections to ensure all clone details are correct. When everything is confirmed, click Next to move to the Configure Fields page. Here, all the added form fields, along with the pre-filled values, are retained. In our scenario, I need to edit the end date so that the lease duration reflects 10 years. BoldSign has a label field that is useful for editing non-editable PDF documents. To do this, drag and drop the label field onto the existing date and adjust its size to cover the current date. Once placed, go to the background color section in the label field settings. Here, I need to set the background color to match the document. Click the background color option to choose one of the preset colors, or customize your own from the color picker. Select the required color. Next, enter the correct date in the field. If the default font type and size do not match the document, BoldSign allows you to adjust them. Move to the Font Settings section, choose the required font, and adjust the font size and line height as needed. You can also make the font bold, italic, or underlined. Change the font color and align the text to the left, center, or right. As you can see, the added date blends perfectly with the document, and it will appear the same to the signer. Next, I need to review the pet policy document, which has some fields that must be added. Scroll to the pet policy document and add the required fields. You can customize them based on your needs. Once everything is ready, check the entire document again, and if all details are correct, click Send. The document will be sent to the signer again, and they can review and sign it without any missing information. And that's how to fix and resend declined documents in BoldSign without recreating them from scratch. With the clone document feature, you can quickly update missing details, add new files, or correct content. so you can resend the declined document with confidence and keep your workflow moving. If you found this tutorial helpful, click like and subscribe for more BoldSign how-to videos. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more BoldSign tutorials.